How to download Valorant for PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Valorant game for your PC or laptop. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Valorant.com, which is the official website of the Valorant, and you can also just type in just like this. You can just simply head over to that particular website by ignoring the first sponsored one. So you can just click on the second link, which will take you to this website, and you are on the same screen right now. So from over here you can simply click on this download button, and you just have to follow the on-screen instruction to install the Valorant. After the Valorant setup.exe has been successfully downloaded, as you can see it's being downloaded right now. Or you can also download the game from your Epic Games launcher store. So if you don't have already created Epic Games account, you can create it simply by adding your Google account to it or syncing your Google account just like that. So once you log in or create your account on Epic Games, make sure you have successfully downloaded your Epic Games launcher application as well. So once you do that, just head over to search bar and just search in for Valorant. So once you search in for Valorant, you can simply get it over here as a free. So simply tap on your Valorant game and just click on this get button, and it should get downloaded after some time depending upon your internet connection. And make sure to follow the on-screen instruction to successfully install it on your PC or laptop. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.